Yo, you sure some money over there?
Yeah, man, money over there, man.
John wants to what's the way we can go over there?
Yeah.
I mean, man.
Are you going to do your bag, man?
You put it in there, man.
I'll make you go in there, man.
You see me tell you, you shot. Look at that. I'm going to just put it in it and knock it down and run off.
Yeah.
And she go pull you in the bag.
Yeah, man.
And then you come out of it and find the money and you go back in the bag.
Yeah.
I mean, man.
Yeah.
You ready to move?
Yeah.
Try, you know. Go test out, you know.
Who is it?
Yo, you're not finding it. Yo. Search up, start, search, quick. No.
I'm on the road.
Clear baggy. No money, youth.
No money, dog. Where the dog?
And you tell me say no fee, you know.
I don't know where the man. Look at the receipt, man. I don't see it, man.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm fine, madam.
Well, I kind of lost my way. I have a sister by the name of Beyonce.
I want to know that lady, you know, she lives down on the road down there, so.
Where is it? Straight down there, sir?
Yeah, down on the right. When you go down straight, you just turn on the right.
No, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, but madam would have beg you something for me.
So, me have to pay you if you tell her which part my sister
Not
live?
really, madam, but some man, Mr. Something yam.
Alright then, me can get 100.
100.
Yeah.
Problem, no problem.
Alright. Here we go, sir.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome, sir. Have yourself a great day.
Same to you, madam.
Somebody help me!
Short people brutality, man, aye. Man, aye.
See it here. See them boy there. The man bad name. You good though?
Yeah, man, thanks to you know. I don't even know how me I gotta repay you.
Know yourself, man. That's everything good. You understand? Take care of yourself. You're a warrior, you know.
Nah, no, so
You understand?
no respect you here. Alright.
What happened?
Girl, I can't believe what just happened.
What happened to you?
I just get robbed.
Come in. Sit down, yes, sir. Whoa, the foot they give me a hard time, you girl, this well. What happened to you, know?
Girl, I just get robbed a while ago.
So which part you get robbed and who rob you?
I don't know who robbed me. But one good Samaritan come and give me back my things them. The sister, I jump on the boy and I give him some lick. When you say, you know, you call me a life and death situation. What happened now? Me come.
Lord Jesus, my sister, if you know what happened to me, girl, look on the foot here. Me say last night I ring off the whole of it. Whoa. Look how it swell. Hey, Fanny, the whole of it so swell up.
So, my sister, I really call me for your life and death situation. Girl, you make me fret me think so something worse than that happened to you, no, girl.
Then my sister my life and that they suppose the foot are dead. I did that.
Girl, he not even broke. He only swell, girl.
Why me the one if you come down, you come help me. Come in, you know you go.
You know me love you, but girl, not frightened me so again.
Alright.
Oh God. Me boy, you come. Me see jealousy in your eyes. Spin your word 3 times. Me see jealousy in your eye. Alright. Oi. Walk on the white carpet and have a seat. Oi. Yes, my son, you come. Oh, me see your problem. Oh. Yes, my son. Not tell me your problem, let me tell you your problem, my son. Yeah. Me see love and jealousy in your eye. Me see you have a whole heap of problem. Woman problem. Oh God. But anyway, let me know what go on, my son. Because I the only way me can sort you out. Because I have other patient out there waiting on me. And I don't want to take up much of my time. Because your money alone can't fill my basket or my coffin. Hey!
Well, I tell you right now, the first thing work. And the second thing work.
Yes.
My only thing say,
What happened now?
one did abon me. And the one you get for me,
Yes, my son.
and kill me with lick.
My God, my son. And you cool, my son?
No normal.
My God, my son. So what you want me to do for you now, my son?
Right now, one get rid of that one. Just the
You
same
want me to beat you, my
procedure.
son?
Same procedure.
Oh my God. My son is going to cost you. He's going to cost you, you know. Let me do the maths. 14 for that and 11 for that equal that. It's going to cost you 25, my son. 25,000, my son. As I you, because you're my customer. And see, with my customer, them will come regular. Me not cheat them bad. Hold on. You know the cocoa bread man pot work in the park? And me sort him out every day make money. Now worry yourself, man. Me take care of business. Me know you go up on the work now. Have a good day. Alright?
Yeah, anyway, thank you. Yeah.
Alright, my son. Make hot. Come cool down in a judgment yard. Yes, girl. We don't come free with yourself from bondage and destruction. And one thing with me. My God, my son, you can't go away. My son, no pay me a ass.
I am Richard Brown from Richard Brown Films. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you head on over right now and subscribe. We are uploading new content ever so often. You don't want to miss a moment of it. So do remember, subscribe and hit that notification bell right now.